Welcome to this FXEmpire review of Swissquote, a bank which holds a banking license issued by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority and offers 4 different types of trading accounts to trade on. The company is part of Swissquote Group Holding Ltd, which is Switzerland's leading provider of online financial and trading services and has been listed on the SIX Swiss exchange since May 2000. This is confirmed in the company tab section on this website, where we can actually see Swissquote Group and the structure and shareholders within this. Swissquote Bank Limited is authorized and regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, otherwise known as FINMA, as we can confirm on this register. Swissquote offers users the ability to open 4 different types of trading accounts called Standard, Premium, Prime and Professional. The Standard account allows spreads from 1.7 pips, the Premium account 1.4 pips and the Prime account 1.1 pips. Each of these accounts have 0 commissions. The minimum deposits are different for each one, ranging from 1,000 minimum deposit for the Standard account up to 50,000 for the Prime account. As you can see at the bottom here, the standard leverage is a maximum of 1 to 100. Via Swissquote, users can trade on a variety of different markets, including currencies, FX options, precious metals, stock indices, commodities, and bonds. If we look at the spreads and swaps table, the broker actually lays out some interesting comparisons via the different trading accounts available via Swissquote. As we can see here, the Standard, Premium and Prime. So the Standard account, Euro-Dollar spread, minimum spread is 1.7 pips, Premium 1.4 pips and Prime account 1.1 pips. The broker offers a wide variety of different currencies and indices and commodities. However, one of the unique elements of Swissquote is the fact they offer FX options trading. So as we scroll down, users can open an account to trade Forex options as a way to either hedge exposure, to trade without stop losses, and to access just a different type of trading product that is not commonly available with other foreign exchange brokers. So here we can see a wide variety of different currencies that are available to trade with via FX options via Swissquote. They also provide ebooks and webinars on the basics of FX options trading, as well as a free demo account. Swissquote provides access to 3 different types of trading platforms. As we scroll down, they offer their award-winning advanced trader software, which has been designed in-house. They also offer the ability to trade on the popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platform. They also have a useful comparison table here between the different platforms and the access and services available via Advanced Trader, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. For example, an Advanced Trader platform, you have the ability to look at and place complex order types, as well as have a customizable trading interface, and you also get access to FX Insider and market news from Dow Jones. The broker also provides complementary plugin tools such as Auto Chartist. Both beginner and advanced traders will enjoy the Learning Center, which is full of different videos. As we scroll down here, we've got introduction to Forex, CFDs, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. And if we scroll down, nice user format and nice and easy to watch with valuable information within this Learning Center. The broker also provides access to different webinars. As we can see here, a mixture of live webinars and on-demand webinars, and as we can scroll down, we have webinars in different languages such as German, Arabic, with the dates and times listed here and the ability to register for those. So a wide selection of different trading webinars from different experts covering different topics. The broker also provides a wide variety of research tools by Swissquote analysts. As we can see here in the newsroom, we've got access to live analysis, so articles, as well as a morning news brief article, a daily market brief and a daily technical report. So if we look at this daily technical report here, we can actually see it's a PDF download, and it provides technical analysis for all the major markets such as Euro against the US dollar, Pound against the US dollar, and other major currencies, commodities and indices. Swissquote also provides access to a support hub, and this is full of different FAQs, so frequently asked questions. There's also a customer care center with telephone numbers and an online web contact form, as well as different telephone numbers and email addresses for foreign exchange trading clients, robo-advisory clients, and more. They also have a live chat function here at the bottom, which we'll go ahead and test. So we've just been connected to a live agent within really a couple of seconds, and I've just asked the question, do you offer demo trading accounts, and I've had a reply literally within a couple of seconds as well. So very quick to access and very quick to respond. It's always quite useful to have access to a live customer support agent to help you with any of your queries. Now let's have a look at the Swissquote Advanced Trader platform. So here we have the Swissquote Advanced Trader platform available via desktop download as well as on web. So we can see here quite a lot of information where we can customize the trading windows that we are seeing right now. So right now we have account overview, the order book, trade log, open positions, open and quote management. We can also change different currency. They've got metal markets here available, stock indices as well, commodities and bonds. So wide variety of different asset classes, as well as some exotic markets here as well to trade on. At the top here, you can also place orders such as market order, stop limit orders, timed orders, as well as the options orders as well. You can create reports for account statements, access market news, and customize your settings and your trading platform. So here we've actually got a chart of the euro dollar, and you can interchange between the different markets here on this tab. We can also change the time frame. So right now we're looking at daily charts, and you can go from 5-minute charts to higher, as well as change the interval as well, looking at monthly charts and 15-minute charts and tick charts as well. There's also chart constructs here that you can change from candlesticks, dots, Heikin-Ashi, high-low bars, OHLC bars, so a wide variety of different tools. We can also add indicators, and as you can see here on the left-hand side, wide variety of different indicators there available, such as the ADX, and it gives you a little description of the indicator as well, which are always quite useful, as well as how it's calculated and how you could possibly trade them. So that's always quite useful. You can see that's just been now added to this chart in the background. So there's more features here as well. You can add overlays and annotate the chart, and you look at other chart properties. To place a trade, we can either use the tickets here at the top, or we can right click on the chart and select buy or sell, or we can place orders. So for example, we are at the top here, we've got euro against the US dollar. We can put in our quantity, let's say 1,000, okay, and we can click on settings as well, and we can change whether we want to get on the market or spot rates. And we can also have a plus button here as well. You can see it just adds in another a window here to trade. So if we click on buy, for example, so that deal has now been executed. We've got the confirmation here, and we can see that at the bottom here in our open positions. Okay, now we can click the plus button here, and this will show us any attached orders to this trade, and we can customize orders or close orders by using these tabs here on the right hand side. So we can just close that for now, and that has now been closed, and now that will be in the trade log, where we can actually see that trade that has been closed. There's also the ability to trade via options, and you can just use your asset or choose the asset class here in the quote management window, right click, and it will open up an options order window for you to place any calls and put orders as well. So very useful and very clean to use trading platform. You can also see here the spread there on euro, very tight at 1.3, 1.5, 1.6 pips. Okay, pound against US dollar, 2.5 pips. Okay, so lots of features here available for both beginner and advanced traders. Now let's have a look at the mobile trading app provided by Swissquote. So here we have the Advanced Trader mobile trading app provided by Swissquote, available on Android and iOS operating systems. The first column here, we actually have account details. So this involves looking at details such as your account balance, unrealized profit and loss, account equity, and the margin in use as well, and any positions. from the options trades that you've been taking. On the next tab, we have access to quotes, so we can change the way we look at this. We can have little tabs here for buy and sell buttons, as well as small charts as we scroll down. We can add on different markets by clicking the plus icon here. You can see all of the major currencies, precious metals, commodities, stock indices, bonds, and a wide selection of different currencies, as well as exotic currencies as well. The next tab gives us the option to place orders, and as we can see here, we can place an order by going live at market. Okay, we can use stop orders, limit orders, trading stop orders, OCO orders, if done OCO orders. So a very large range of complex orders are available to trade on via Swissquote, which you won't find in other platforms. Now, we can also choose the amount here, as well as the stop price and limit price. So for example, we can put a market order in, and we can put an amount of 1,000, for example. The expiration could be good till cancelled or good for the day. And we can also put in stop loss prices and limit prices if we want. And we can place that order. So that will ask us for a confirmation. That has now been executed. You can see there at the top that has been executed. So we can look at the positions, and you can see that trade there is now live, and we can click on this and we can access information about this, such as the current profit and loss, the open date, the open price, as well as the asset name and the amounts. We can press the X button, and that will ask us to close the position, and then we can go ahead and close that, and there's no opened positions. There's also a tab here for any orders that you're placing as well. News, so live news announcements. A calendar as well, so an economic calendar as well, where you can filter by country. Also reports from your trading account. Access to education, so access to different webinars. There's also different videos here as well. Contact and info settings, so for customer care, customer support, you've got telephone numbers and email addresses, all in this mobile trading app. So if we scroll back, we can also go back to quotes, and we can, let's say, click on euro dollar, for example, and that opens up this chart. A couple of options to look at chart constructs, candlesticks, dots, Heikin-Ashi, HL bars. We can also change the time frame here as well, from 30-second charts to monthly charts. And we can also trade from this tab. So here we can press the sell icon, and now this will open up a trading ticket. Again, we can change from market orders to stop orders. We can put in the amount here, for example, so 1,000, and click on done. And then we can also put in stop loss prices as well if we want to. So we can click on this, and then we can adjust this level. So we can put in 51, for example, and place that order. That will ask for a confirmation. That order has now been placed. Okay, and then we can go back, and then we can have a look at our positions, and you can see that as an open position, and you can also see the order there as well for the stop loss. Okay, so very useful functionality there. You can see the linked order here at the bottom. So very useful, very simple to use actually, but a lot of different features available in the Swissquote mobile trading app. And that really sums up this FXEmpire review of Swissquote. We hope you found it to be of value, and wish you all the best in your trading.